Hi, it's Johnson. I teach you how to back up your virtual machine VirtualBox VDI disk files with Teracopy. First you right click it and then you pick Teracopy and then you browse for a location. So I'm gonna pick C drive and download and no backup. I'm gonna pick then you click OK. So you wait, and the good thing about Teracopy is it's pretty fast, and it also has a lot of options like testing it, verifying it, closing when done, and shutdown. Oh yeah, and you could get Teracopy at codesector.com/teracopy.php. So it's a 4 GB file and there's a counter. So I'm gonna pause the video for a while. Okay, I'm back and it took about 7 minutes according to the log. It completed at 8:32 and started at 11:25. So it took around 8 minutes. So Teracopy also verifies the data with a CRC check, which should be the same for both, and you could verify it again. So CRC stands for cyclic redundancy check, which is the error correcting code that is recorded on magnetic disk and used to catch errors in data, according to google.ca and Princeton, Yep. So I'm going to teach you how to see if restore the backup from VirtualBox. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to first release the old version and add the new one, the backed up one, which I saved to see to downloads, no backup, and you boot to that, and then you click select. So yeah, this is the path, and let's see if it works. It should, in theory. So yeah, it works, and it's running from the backup. And so yeah, there's the Ubuntu loading screen. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Rate, subscribe, and comment add a comment to my channel or send me a message.